Welcome to Stress-Free Coding video Angular part 13. I'm stoked, so let's start right away. Today we talk you about various topics: coding an HTTP put method with node.js, coding a multiple GET request with node.js, using HTTP put method to change cart items. Okay, hey, stop. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. Let's take this one step at a time. Step 1. We had a put method to our Node.js API, which changed cart quantity. First, in the cart array, we look for one with the product ID passed in the request. If exists, we update the cart array and return a JSON with the result of operation. Okay, so up the put /API /cart comma function request result console log request body our index equal cart items, find the index item array function item dot product ID product ID equals request body product ID. Okay. Printing console found cart items. And then if index not equals -1, set cart items quantity equals plus equals, so add quantity request body quantity, and then return a JSON message, JSON stringify article quantity has been updated I prefer use interpolation. Specify cart items, a new cart items quantity, a position index quantity. Else, if article not found, we return JSON message article not found. Okay, step 3. Let's add a get method that returns the contents of a cart. The Express framework does not allow us to define another get method. So we have to use a route function which, based on the URI, performs a specific function. So we define a function that returns the cart array and add the put method to the methods allowed by the course. Okay. So add put item to allowed methods array, and then define a new function get card request result return as send cart items, and then we code the root method to execute the getCart function. We have a /API/cart endpoint is called root /API/cart getCart. Step 4. Open the Angular project and add two methods to the data provider service. One calls the web API, which returns the items in the cart. The other executes a put call to update the quantity in the cart. Okay, get cart. Return this http://get cart article array. Endpoint http://localhost 2022/API/cart. Okay, we can now find a cart article. Now we define a new interface, cart article is an article object, and quantity is a number. Okay, now add put article, receive cart article param cart, kind of cart article. Okay. Put cart article API cart cart article as param. Okay, put completed. Step 5. We create our cart component, open a terminal session, go to the app directory with a change direct and run this command. Okay. ng space generate space component card. Step 6. Now we added the card component TypeScript file. In the constructor method, we inject the reference to the data provider service. Private data provider, kind of data provider service. And we define class members to handle the items in the card. Title is card. Okay, display. And now we set data source in the ng-oninit method with the getCard method created in the service. This dot data provider dot getCard dot subscribe data. This data source equals data. And we define a method to change card quantity to update the quantities in the cart. Change cart quantity. Cart article, kind of cart article. This data provider dot put article. Okay, the HTML code of a card component is a copy and paste of an article list HTML. With the addition of a quantity field which requires a number type input, which when it varies, calls the method define the component's TypeScript code. Quantity. Element dot quantity max value 99, for example. Style max width Okay, and on change, call change cart quantity, param is element. Is the current cart item. Now step 7, last step, we had in the app.module TypeScript file a new rule that redirects to the cart component. Okay, app module. Copy and paste path cart component name cart component. And finally, we expect a button that redirects to the cart in the app.component.html file. Okay. Cart component, cart. Save both project and run Node and Angular. And JS. Node index. Now add an item to the cart. Okay, go to the cart. Okay, cart item dot quantity equals 1. Rerun node.js. Okay, refresh article list, add to cart, okay, quantity set 1. Okay, now change quantity, article quantity has been updated to, okay, return back to article list, and then another item, add to cart, article has been added to a cart, 2 items in the cart, go to cart, and this is items list, change quantity, okay. That's all for today. Like and subscribe to our next stress-free coding video. Bye.